solving absolute value inequalities and variable, and express solutions in various notation, interval notation, set builder notation, or graphical notation. Absolute value, it is the distance of a number from 0 on a number line, regardless of direction. The symbol for absolute value is this vertical line. What could be the essential rules? The essential rules, if that is less than absolute value of x less than a, it means the given answer is x. X is greater than negative a but less than a. So the answer must be in between. How about if that is less than or equal to? So absolute value of x less than or equal to a, it means the given is x is greater than or equal to negative a, but less than or equal to a. So the answer is in between. How about if that is greater than? Absolute value of x greater than a. So it means that is x is less than negative a or x is greater than a. If that is greater than or equal to. So absolute value of x greater than or equal to a. So it means x is less than or equal to negative a or x is greater than or equal to a. Steps in solving absolute value inequalities. Write a compound inequality. So the given example, absolute value of x minus 2 less than 5. So it means x minus 2, so this one, x minus 2 is greater than negative 5 but less than 5. Pero normally, ang ginagamit natin, we try to separate inequalities joined by or. So if that is the given absolute value of x minus 2 greater than 5, so becomes x minus 2 less than negative 5 or absolute value of x minus 2 greater than 5. And absolute value of x less than 4, the two values of x, that is negative 4 and positive 4. So the solution, this is less than. So it means x is greater than negative a. So x greater than negative a but less than a. So it means the solution is x greater than negative 4 but less than 4. In interval notation, that is less than. So nasa gitna yun. So in between. From interval notation, parentheses, from negative 4 up to positive 4. In a set builder notation, dadagdagan lang natin ng bracket, curly bracket, x such that x from x is greater than negative 4 but less than 4. In a graphical representation of absolute value of x less than 4, so that becomes from negative 4 up to positive 4. So this is less than, so that is in between. This is negative 4 from positive 4. Walang shade. So open yung ating circle, and then papasok. How about number 2? Absolute value of x less than or equal to 3. So the two values of x, that is negative 3 and positive 3. So same with number 1, the only difference we have in equal, so less than or equal. So the answer is x is greater than or equal to negative 3 but less than or equal to 3. In an interval notation, kanina open and close parenthesis, but this time bracket, negative 3, and then positive 3. In a set builder notation, para lang siyang pagsusulat ng solution. The only difference, we have x such that x. So x such that x is greater than or equal to negative 3 but less than or equal to 3, curly brackets. In a graphical representation of absolute value of x less than or equal to 3, so that becomes from negative 3 up to positive 3. So yung ano natin, figure natin is closed figure or closed circle. So in between from negative 3 up to positive 3 because the given is less than or equal to. How about x plus 2 greater than or equal to 4? First, x plus 2 is equal to 4. So positive 4, change the sign of 2. So 4 minus 2, the answer is 2. Second one, x plus 2 equals negative 4. So negative 4, change the sign minus 2. So x equals negative 6. So it means the answer, we have negative 6 and positive 2. So this is greater than or equal. So yung pinakamababa is negative 6. So it means x is less than or equal to negative 6 or x greater than or equal to 2. In an interval notation, so it means from negative infinity up to negative 6 and then from positive 2 to positive infinity. So it means the given is from negative infinity up to negative 6 bracket. Ito ay parenthesis, union. From positive 2 to positive infinity. So bracket siya because we have equals. In a set builder notation, that becomes x such that x is less than or equal to negative 6 or x greater than or equal to 2. So curly brackets. Absolute value of x plus 2 greater than or equal to 4 in a graphical representation. So the answer is negative 6 and positive 2. So negative 6. So this is negative 6, positive 2. So may equal to. So close yung ating circle, close circle. And then this is greater than. So it means from negative infinity to negative 6. From positive 2 to positive infinity. Ibig sabihin nun, extreme yung graph natin. Left side and right side because x is less than or equal to negative 6 or x greater than or equal to positive 2. How about number 5? Absolute value of 2x minus 4 less than or equal to 8. First, 2x minus 4 is equal to 8. So positive 8 plus 4. So that becomes 12. So that is 2x is equal to 12. If we divide both sides with positive 2, x equals 6. Second one, 2x minus 4 is equal to negative 8. So negative 8 plus 4, so that is negative 4. If we divide both sides with 2, x equals negative 2. So the solution, pinakamababa is negative 2 up to positive 6. So x is greater than or equal to negative 2, but less than or equal to 6. In an interval notation, from bracket, from negative 2 up to positive 6. So in set builder notation, same lang yung susulat natin. The only difference, x such that x is greater than or equal to negative 2, but less than or equal to 6. What could be the graphical representation of absolute value of 2x minus 4 less than or equal to 8? So we have the value that is negative 2 and 6. So close yung ating circle, close circle. So it means from negative 2 up to positive 6. Number 5, that is absolute value of x minus 3 less than 7. First, x minus 3 is equal to 7. So 7 plus 3, x equals 10. Second one, x minus 3 equals negative 7. So it means x is equal to negative 7 plus 3. So that is negative 4. So this is less than. So it means both the symbol is less than. So x is greater than negative 4 but less than 10. So mas mababa yung negative 4 to 10. So x is greater than negative 4 but less than 10. So it means yung given natin this is less than. So it means parentheses. From negative 4 up to positive 10 parentheses. In a set builder notation, that is x such that x is greater than negative 4 but less than 10. What could be the graphical representation? So that is from negative 4 to positive 10. So open yung circle natin because walang equal. So from negative 4 up to positive 10. So in between negative 4 to positive 10. Absolute value of x minus 3 greater than or equal to 4. First, x minus 3 is equal to 4. So 4 plus 3, that is 7. Second one, x minus 3 equals negative 4. So x is equal to negative 4 plus 3. So subtract. So that is negative 1. So it means lower yung negative 1. Kung silipin natin yung number line, lower negative 1 to 7. So it means this is greater than or equal. So x is less than or equal to negative 1 or x greater than or equal to 7. So it means extreme yung sagot natin. So the interval notation from negative infinity up to negative 1, union. So bracket siya because may equal. From positive 7 to positive infinity. So bracket siya. And then yung nasa infinity, that is open and close parentheses. In a set builder notation, that is x such that x is less than or equal to negative 1 or x greater than or equal to 7. what could be the graphical representation? If that is from -1 and then from negative infinity up to -1, so close circle. From +7 to positive infinity, so close yung circle niya. So extreme yung ating graph, yung isa going to the left side, yung isa going to the right side because that is greater than or equal. So what could be the absolute value inequality rules? Absolute value of x less than a. So x is greater than -a but less than a. In an absolute value of x less than or equal to a, same lang, the only difference may equal. So x is greater than or equal to -a but less than or equal to a. If that is absolute value of x greater than a, so that is x less than -a or x greater than a. If that is absolute value of x greater than or equal to a, so x is less than or equal to -a or x greater than or equal to a. So what could be our key idea? If that is less than or equal, so it means that is n. So the solution is between the two numbers, so in between. How about if that is greater than or greater than or equal? So that is or. From negative infinity to a number union, from number to positive infinity, it means the solution is outside the two numbers. If that is less than, between two numbers. If that is greater than, outside the two numbers. Instruction: solve and express the solution in interval notation. Provide your answers in the comment section.
Enjoy learning mathematics. I'm Teresa Tubal. Thank you so much.